Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show how to delete Firebase projects, and you can get more programming Android tutorials in this playlist, and make sure you subscribe my channel. So let's start how to delete Firebase projects. So first of all, you have to come this URL console.firebase.google.com, and here you can see all the existing projects of the Firebase. So you just have to click on this project. For example, I am going to delete Firebase test. Just click on it, and from here you can see project overview. You have to click on this icon and then project settings, and in this page you have to scroll down, and at the end you can see remove this app. So by clicking on this button you can remove this app, and from there you can delete this complete project. So I am going to click on it, and here it is asking for other things about the project. So I am going to click all, and you can read this description. This is all about project. So I am going to click all and just click delete project. So here you can see my project is just deleted. So here you can see now we have two projects. So by this way you can delete Android Studio Firebase project, and I hope you must find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Finally, thanks for watching.